What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars. Just be a quick one, guys, just because I don't have time to do a full episode. We're just covering STREETSPEED717 and Stradman. They're the only two we're covering, so it shouldn't be too long. If you're new to the channel and just first time clicking on the video, basically just give my thoughts and opinions about what goes on in the car community on YouTube. That is basically it, and we discuss below. So if you like this kind of stuff, do check out my other videos. Click the subscribe button, even better the like button as well, and get involved, and hopefully someday we will be able to get a project car as well. That is the goal for the channel, so you guys supporting it, commenting, liking, all that kind of stuff is absolutely dope. So we're just going to jump straight into today's quick video. STREETSPEED717 has gone away and bought, is it a hypercar or is it a supercar? I don't know if I can call the SVJ a hypercar, because these went up for sale originally for $515,000. They're now going for $1 million, and his spec is really nice. He got the grey one, a gorgeous color. It wouldn't be my top spec, definitely not, but I don't know, like, these are what, 6.5 litre V12, naturally aspirated, not 62.7 seconds, and basically they're 770 horsepower. Now, I don't know, guys, answer me this in the comments below. What do you class as a supercar and what do you class as a hypercar? In my head, this is just my own opinion, I think a hypercar should be over 900 brake horsepower, 950 even. Supercars should be anywhere from 485, 490-ish maybe, or 500, up to the 900 mark. So I don't really class this as a hypercar. If he modified it over 1,000 brake horsepower, then, you know, yeah, but standard, I wouldn't. But fair use to him, congratulations. I don't really watch STREETSPEED717 much until he actually does these kind of builds or gets these kind of cars, because it's just, you know, I don't have any other interest in any of his other cars. But let me know what you think of the spec below. The Nardo Grey is gorgeous. For me, if I had probably top 5 colors of an SVJ, my number one pick would be the purple with the gold wheels. Definitely, I love that combination, is one of my favorites. Second would be balloon white with gold wheels. Third then would probably be the Nardo Grey. Fourth would be like a Miami blue, and then fifth would be probably maybe a, I don't know actually what my fifth color would be. Maybe a green, not too sure. But comment below and let me know what your top 5 colors on the SVJ would be. Wonder if he's going to build this up. He's been mentioned Gintani. I mean, it feels like every person that's buying an SVJ has just copied Randy from Savage Garage, going down, getting the Gintani tune and getting the exhaust and getting the F1 exhaust sound, as sick as it is. But his car is really nice. Fair use to him. Dropping $1 million at a car is a lot of money. You know, I applaud him for doing it. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think of the spec and what you think of STREETSPEED717's channel and his recent purchase. Next up, guys, and last is just going to be Stradman. I really liked his video today. He just basically collabed with Choi. He's insane. I think is it 1200 or 1400 brake horsepower. His Unicorn V was a 4 at this stage, or 5, I can't remember. I love Choi's wrap on this Huracan. It's a super Trofeo kit on it. It looks so mean, but the wrap on it really does it for me. I love this wrap. Does anybody know in the comments below where he got this wrapped, or what is the name of the wrap? I'm very curious. I love the way it just flips, you know, with a bit of gold and pink and purple and blue and green going through it. It's really nice and it sounds epic. But you could just tell James was shitting himself going into that thing. It was fucking crazy the way he Alex drives that car. Absolutely bonkers. And it's very interesting to see the difference when James or Stradman goes to these different places, like when he went to Florida, when he goes to South Cal, who he links up with when he goes to these places. It's like, I feel like he would never want to link up with DDE, because you always see them commenting underneath his videos sometimes, and he never really responds. And he's very selective, obviously, who he meets up with, because he met up with Tanner Fox as well. Now, he could have met up with probably TJ Hunt, or maybe he just didn't have the time. But I'm surprised, being in Beverly Hills, he only met up with Choi and you know, and Gordon F Spot as well. But maybe DD weren't around at the time. But let me know what you think about that, guys. It's a bit kind of, I know, it's just something I have in my head that he just won't collab with DD. Just something I think. But his editor, Luke, so as if you don't know by now, he's now handed over editing to, I don't know if he's a long-time friend or is he just an editor he picked up. If somebody knows, comment below. But he's been absolutely banging out the edits. It's crazy, like he's just been like full-blown edits, and it's exactly how James edits them. People have been commenting saying how great Luke's edits are, and they are very, very fucking epic. And I wouldn't be surprised if James ends up buying him a GT3 or a GT3 RS in Miami Blue. I wouldn't, like, for the work that Luke's putting in, he's just constantly getting, because now you can see Stradman's numbers just bang, bang, bang. He's getting in that money. He must have something big planned. So just thought I'd bring it to your attention, guys. Let me know what you think of the collab down below, and you know, who would you like to see James collab with next, wherever he ends up next as well. So that's it for today's quick video. Thanks a million if you've watched to the end. Again, please do subscribe and check out the other videos that come up here also. And like squad, please do smash that like button and don't forget to comment below. So until the next episode, guys, please stay safe. Peace out and keep it lit.